Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion-like database in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a clean, dynamic system that turns your notes into structured database-style views using the dataview plugin inside Obsidian. We'll move step by step, and I'll also explain what each part is doing, so you're not just clicking buttons, but actually understanding how the system works. That way, you can reuse this setup for projects, tasks, resources, or anything you want to organize later. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're inside the vault where you want this database to live. If you use multiple vaults, choose carefully because everything we set up will only apply inside this one. This helps keep your system clean and prevents confusion later. Now, create a new folder in the File Explorer on the left. This folder is important because it will act as the database source where all related notes will live. Think of it like a table in Notion. Everything you want to track should stay inside this space, so it's easy for dataview to read. Give the folder a clear name based on what you're building, like projects, tasks, reading list, or resources. The goal is simple. When you look at it later, you instantly know what belongs inside. Next, create a new note inside that folder. This will act as your dashboard or database view page. You can also move existing notes into this folder later if you already have content you want to organize. Once your structure is ready, go to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where Obsidian controls plugins and advanced features. Inside Settings, open Community Plugins. If you see a warning about third-party plugins, just note that these are community-built tools that extend Obsidian's functionality. As long as you install trusted plugins, you're good to go. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace, then search for dataview. This is the plugin that powers your Notion-style database system. It lets you query notes, filter them, and display them as tables, lists, or task views based on metadata. If your notes include metadata, dataview will automatically turn that into structured columns, just like a database. When you switch to preview mode, Obsidian will render your query as a live table, which means your database updates automatically whenever you add, edit, or move notes inside that folder. If nothing shows up, the first things to check are whether the plugin is enabled and whether your query points to the correct folder. Small setup issues are normal at first, but once it works, it stays consistent. From here, you can upgrade your system over time by adding properties to your notes like status, priority, dates, or tags. The more structure you add, the more powerful your database view becomes. And that's it. You've just built a Notion-like database inside Obsidian using a simple folder structure, a dashboard note, and the dataview plugin. As you keep using it, your system becomes more powerful without any extra effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.